2, 1.
What if everything you knew about car safety was wrong? For 100 years, every vehicle on Earth has depended on one piece of metal to keep you alive in a crash. Chinese engineers just proved that piece is completely unnecessary. This is the vehicle that rewrote the rules of physics. For over a century, automotive engineers faced an impossible constraint. The B-pillar, that thick steel beam between your front and rear doors, has been considered non-negotiable. Mercedes, BMW, Volkswagen, Ford, every manufacturer accepted it as fundamental law. This pillar does three things. It holds your car together during side impacts, it limits interior space, and it dictates how you enter and exit the vehicle. But here's the problem. It's also an engineering compromise that nobody dared to challenge. Until now. Zeekr, the premium division of China's Geely Group, invested nearly $1 billion into one question. What if we could eliminate the B-pillar entirely, while making the car safer than anything on the road today? The result is the Zeekr Mix, a vehicle that fundamentally redefines what's possible in automotive engineering. When those double sliding doors open, you're looking at a 1.5-meter wide opening with absolutely nothing blocking your path. No pillar, no obstruction, just open space. This shouldn't be possible. Every crash test regulation says this design should fail catastrophically. So how did they do it? The hidden fortress. Here's the engineering breakthrough. Zeekr didn't eliminate the B-pillar, they moved it. Traditional vehicles have a fixed central pillar attached to the chassis. The Zeekr Mix hides two ultra-high-strength steel pillars inside the sliding doors themselves. These aren't ordinary door frames. They're forged from 2,000 megapascal hot-stamped steel, the same material used in nuclear submarine pressure hulls. When the doors close and lock into the chassis, these hidden pillars anchor directly into the reinforced floor and roof structure. They create a protective cage that can withstand over 20 tons of crushing force without compromising the cabin. You get the openness of a pillarless design with structural integrity that exceeds traditional vehicles. It's engineering elegance at its finest, solving an impossible problem by completely reimagining the solution. Urban agility. But structural innovation is just the beginning. Anyone who's driven a large vehicle through narrow European streets knows the frustration. Traditional vans and SUVs have enormous turning circles because their front wheels are restricted by engines and conventional steering geometry. Zeekr recognized this flaw and engineered around it. Because the Mix is fully electric with optimized packaging, the front wheels aren't constrained by engine blocks or traditional drive shafts. This allowed engineers to implement an extreme steering angle of over 50 degrees. The result? A turning radius of just 4.95 meters. Despite being a spacious luxury vehicle, the Zeekr Mix maneuvers through tight city streets more easily than a compact hatchback. You get commercial van interior space with urban sports car agility. This completely eliminates the traditional compromise of large vehicle ownership. Mobile architecture. With the B-pillar gone and a completely flat floor, the interior transforms from a car cabin to architectural space. For a century, passengers have sat in rigid rows staring at the back of someone's head. The Zeekr Mix eliminates this entirely. The front seats are mounted on electric rails that allow 270-degree rotation. With a button press, the driver and passenger can turn completely around to face rear occupants. A modular table rises from the center console, transforming the vehicle into a mobile boardroom or lounge. But here's the surprise. This luxurious living room on wheels hides serious performance capability. Beneath that flat floor sits a rear-mounted electric motor generating 415 horsepower. This spacious mobile lounge launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds, faster than many sports cars. It's a unique combination: absolute serenity with brutal electric performance. Steer-by-wire revolution. The innovation goes deeper. For over 100 years, steering wheels have been physically connected to front wheels via a metal column, essentially a dangerous spear pointed at the driver's chest in a crash. The Zeekr Mix implements true steer-by-wire technology. There's no physical connection between the steering wheel and the tires. Instead, digital signals control precise electric actuators on the front axle. This is the same fly-by-wire technology used in fighter jets. Why does this matter? It completely decouples the driver from the mechanics. In the future, the steering wheel can fold into the dashboard during autonomous driving, granting even more interior space. It also eliminates weight, removes crash hazards, and allows infinitely variable steering ratios. Traditional hydraulic steering suddenly feels like Victorian-era technology. Charging breakthrough. The final barrier for electric vehicles has always been charging time. Critics argue that 45-minute charging stops make EVs impractical for daily use. Zeekr neutralized this argument completely. The Mix is built on an 800-volt high-voltage architecture with advanced battery technology designed to absorb massive amounts of current rapidly. Connected to a compatible ultra-fast charger, the Zeekr Mix charges from 10% to 80% in just 10.5 minutes. 10.5 minutes. Barely enough time to walk into a service station, order a coffee, and return to your vehicle. In the time a traditional driver queues for fuel and pays, the Zeekr Mix has absorbed hundreds of miles of range. The charging time argument against electric vehicles just became obsolete. The Trojan horse. Here's the most significant development. This isn't just a Chinese experiment staying in Asia. Waymo, Google's autonomous vehicle division, needed a purpose-built vehicle for their next-generation robo-taxi fleet in America. They didn't choose Ford. They didn't choose General Motors. They didn't even choose Tesla. They partnered with Zeekr. A customized version of the Zeekr Mix is now the chosen platform for Waymo's autonomous fleet, designed in Sweden and engineered in China, specifically for the American market. While trade tensions continue between the US and China, America's largest tech company is importing Chinese automotive architecture because it's fundamentally superior to domestic alternatives. The technology has already arrived. The Zeekr Mix represents a paradigm shift in automotive engineering. It proves that century-old design constraints can be overcome with innovative thinking and advanced material science. This is LuxuryVerse. We explore the engineering breakthroughs reshaping the automotive world. If you want to understand the technology defining the future of transportation, subscribe and join us as we decode the innovations that others overlook. The automotive revolution isn't coming, it's already here.